Want to keep clients for the long haul? Don't just deliver results, prove them. Artemis Marketing turns its reporting process into a relationship-building machine. Here's how. The team at Artemis Marketing figured out that long-term relationships aren't just about results. It's about how those results are shared. Their clients expected performance data anytime, not just once a month. Instead of waiting for a monthly PDF or email update, Artemis gives clients instant access to their dashboards around the clock.
Our clients have complete access to a purpose-built dashboard powered by AgencyAnalytics, where they see their rankings, target keyword performance, and other vital metrics across their Google estate. This gives them a complete, top-level picture of how their campaign is going.
That constant availability reassures their clients that their agency is proactive, not reactive. No two clients define success the same way. Artemis knows that. So they design reports that reflect what each client actually cares about. For one client, that might mean that keyword rankings are the most important. For another, it's organic traffic growth and goal completions.
Everyone who's ever worked for a digital marketing agency will know the struggle of trying to communicate with clients. Not every client is cut from the same cloth. Some like to really drill deep into the metrics and possible causes for ranking drops, while others aren't as familiar with a lot of technical jargon. So we have to adapt communication accordingly.
This kind of personalization shows clients you're listening, and it strengthens the relationship with every report. Campaign performance and priorities can change in a moment, and your client reporting should remain flexible. Customizable reports, advanced analytics tools, and up-to-date metrics mean that agencies don't just react to performance changes, they anticipate them.
With the help of AgencyAnalytics, we essentially bridge any gaps between clients and their campaigns and make them feel closer and more connected to the results as they roll in, rather than just passive recipients of detailed monthly reports.
For clients, that instant access to proof of progress is the difference between uncertainty and confidence. Trust grows when everyone sees the same numbers. At Artemis, transparency isn't just a value, it's their retention strategy.
The single biggest ingredient for building long-term client relationships is trust, and that's only achieved by being wholly transparent.
Artemis creates a single source of truth where team members and clients review the same metrics: click-through rates, conversions, SEO visibility, and ROI across channels. This eliminates surprises and builds trust in every conversation.
Our clients can log in anytime, day or night, to check their keyword rankings, review the latest backlinks we've managed to source for them with the help of our digital PR and link building teams, or analyze their traffic trends. This 24/7 accessibility has made the quick question emails fewer and further between.
With that kind of visibility, trust becomes the default. Clients know nothing's hidden and everything is backed by real data. Want to see how Artemis built their reporting approach? We break it down in this article on our blog. For Artemis Marketing and thousands of agencies like them, AgencyAnalytics is more than a reporting platform. It's a client relationship tool.
For agencies considering AgencyAnalytics, we wouldn't recommend anything else for reporting, analysis, and most importantly, building sustainable relationships with your clients.
By focusing on accessibility, customization, real-time insights, and transparency, agencies build stronger partnerships and retain more clients. Want to transform your client relationships? Try AgencyAnalytics free. Build trust, keep clients, and turn your reporting into your agency's unfair advantage.